In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thank you cards using Canva, a popular online graphic design tool that's widely used for creating beautiful designs with ease. Whether you're expressing gratitude to a friend, family member, or a colleague, a personalized thank you card truly makes the message special. Let's jump into the process and see how you can create a card that stands out. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. If you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which offers a sprawling array of templates. For today's project, go to the top search bar and type in thank you card. This will give you access to a myriad of options that have been crafted by professionals and avid creatives alike. Once the search results appear, you can browse through the various designs. Take your time to scroll through the layouts and inspect different styles. Whether you want something simple, elegant, bold, or quirky, there's a template for every preference. Don't rush this step. Finding a design that resonates with you or suits the intended recipient can make a world of difference. Choose the design that catches your eye. With your selected design in view, the next thing to do is to click on the button labelled Customize this template. This will allow you to mold the existing design to your liking. Canva is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're new to design, you'll find it easy to use. You'll be guided into an editable view where you can personalize every aspect of the template. Now we're in the fun part, customization. Here you can start editing the text to match your personal message. It could be something as simple as thank you, or a more specific message like thank you for being there. The choice is yours. You can also fine-tune the font style, size, and color to better fit the theme you've chosen. Next, consider changing the background color if the current one doesn't suit your taste or the tone of the message. Simply click on the background and a toolbar with color options will pop up. Feel free to experiment with different shades until you find one that matches your vision. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your thank you card is ready to shine. You can either download it to print or send it digitally. Personalization adds a heartwarming touch to your appreciation, and with this card you're sure to effectively convey your gratitude. Happy designing!